Hello, Peugeot 301 Citroen C-Eleysee with the problem of the panel of the AC system / heating, which this button here, the middle one, got stuck. Now, for me, it was stuck and there was a problem with the speeding of the blower motor of the fan. Now, the problem is very odd. Like, can you see these brown spots? It's from the two lamps that connected to this selector, I would call it. Now, there is another lamp in here, in this button. You know, when the AC on / off, the lamp get on off. Now, this lamp got extremely heat and got this button because the lamp comes from here, from this green spot at the middle with a resistor, a small lamp, and got very hot, got this button stuck. Now this is stuck now because the selector is at a certain point. I was moving this and now it's not stuck. The problem was fixed, the stuck of the AC off on problem fixed, and I will going to assembly only this part and check if what I did was good. But you need to open this part very gently open and understand this spring. When you put it back, you need to compress it before you put it back because the selector have teeth in. And be careful and good luck. This is your problem. Bye bye.